Kyle Alexander with Professional Car Washing and Detailing Magazine and Carwash.com. This is your weekend review. This week in Car Wash e-News, Waters Car Wash opened its 25th Express Car Wash location in Oviedo, Florida. With this new addition, Waters Car Wash continues to bring convenience, quality, and efficiency to the customers it serves across the state. The location offers a fast, high-quality experience in a growing community with state-of-the-art technology and a team dedicated to ensuring customer satisfaction. This expansion underscores Waters Car Wash's ongoing dedication to meeting the demand for premium car care services in the region. Summit Wash Holdings also opened a Speeders location in Mountain Lakes, New Jersey. This is Summit's first New Jersey car wash. The expansion reflects Summit's commitment to growth and to the New Jersey car wash market. Summit will feature Speeders branding in all new locations and acquisitions across the Northeast and Midwest. It will also rebrand legacy Russell Speeders locations starting in the second half of 2025. The company plans to open 8 more locations in New Jersey by year-end. And furthermore, Summit Wash Holdings recently introduced Reflection, a proprietary product featuring ceramic and graphene. It combines advanced materials into a single product that provides a mirror-like finish, UV protection, and increased durability. Splash Car Wash announced a major investment for its car wash growth strategy. Funds associated with the AEA Investors Small Business Private Equity Strategy made this investment possible. AEA also purchased the position from Paladin Consumer Retail Partners. The partnership strengthens Splash's car wash growth strategy by accelerating expansion, and it'll also maintain the company's outstanding customer service. The parties did not disclose the terms of this transaction, and as Splash enters this new chapter, longtime COO Dan Petrell will succeed co-founder Mark Curtis as CEO. Curtis will become chairman of the board. And finally, the Car Wash Show 2025 just wrapped up this week, and what a show it was. There's already been lots of great feedback about the show, from educational sessions with industry leaders to new product demonstrations across the trade show floor. It was a great 3 days in Las Vegas. If you want to relive some memories from this year's show, check out our scenes from the Car Wash Show 2025 at carwash.com. Next year's show will be back in Nashville at the Music City Convention Center from May 11th to the 13th. That'll do it for this week's weekend review. You can find the full stories of these highlights at carwash.com. You can also sign up for our free Car Wash e-News and magazine at carwash.com/subscribe. I've been Kyle Alexander, and as always, keep on sparkling.